Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire module, part number 242270102. Frigidaire module, part number 242270102 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a control board module that helps regulate the temperature and other functions of the refrigerator. The module contains a circuit board with various components such as relays, switches, and resistors. It also contains a temperature sensor to monitor the internal temperature of the refrigerator. The module helps to ensure that the refrigerator runs efficiently and maintains an optimal temperature for food storage. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can fix issues such as the refrigerator not cooling, the refrigerator not defrosting, and the display panel not working. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance. Unplug the appliance or turn off the circuit breaker for the appliance. 2. Remove the screws that secure the access panel to gain access to the wiring connections. 3. Disconnect all of the wires from the existing module and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install Frigidaire module, part number 242270102 in place of the old module, making sure that all of the wiring connections are securely connected and that it is properly mounted in its bracket. 5. Securely fasten the access panel back into place with screw. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.